Welcome to the art of Elleebana brow henna and tinting design. Eyebrows have always been the highlight of the face, the most expressive feature that drastically improves our appearance. Both men and women know the benefits of a professionally groomed and complementary eyebrow. Elleebana brow henna tinting helps to make brows more expressive, hiding gaps from overplucked or receding eyebrows. Our innovative formula helps make the treatment last longer, as well as strengthening and protecting the hair and skin. We always recommend to perform a patch test a minimum of 48 hours before the treatment. Cleanse and prepare the skin by removing oils and makeup from the brow area. Next step is using the Elleebana brow shampoo. Use this to clean the area and open the cuticle scales for more even colour deposits. Next step is brow mapping to ensure that you're getting the correct shape for your client's eyebrows. Thoroughly mix the henna powder with the special Elleebana Aqua Mineral solution until creamy and let it stand for a few minutes. Using two colours during your application to create an ombre or gradual coloured brow effect is popular. Elleebana Aqua contains nutrients that helps to counteract the drying effect on skin caused by henna application to the skin, as well as hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is a hydrating, moisture balancing and a film forming ingredient to give hair better body and control, as well as a smoother, softer feel. Use the Elleebana application brush for ease of application. The longer the henna is left on for, the more saturated the colour will become. However, if a client has dry skin, this can dry the skin further as henna is a natural exfoliant. Evenly apply the Elleebana brow henna to the prepared eyebrows and allow it to process for 15 to 25 minutes. Follow along the brow contour to help create the ideal shape of brow for your client and ensure no area of the brow area is stained that shouldn't be. Remove any excess colour from the skin outside of the perfect brow shape using the Elleebana remover. Be careful not to remove any areas of the brow that you wish to remain stained or coloured. Carefully remove the henna using a damp cotton tip or eye makeup remover pad. After the application process, generally henna will fade to a cooler tone in approximately 15 minutes. Thank you for using Elleebana brow henna, the next generation in professional eyebrow tinting.